እርሳስ ይዟል። ማን ነው የእርሳስ መቅረጫ?
እንዴት ናችሁ? በመቅረጣችሁ በጣም ተጠጣጣችሁ። በጣም ነው የሚጠጣጣችሁ።
Sound of a distant Mason code, a washing flute, then a heavy drum beat kicks in. Travel bound, yeah, from the highlands to the heart. Let's go. Morning mist on the hills of the Devil Hunt. The journey starts where the pavement ends. Man, I got my lens open. I got my spirit wide, searching for the magic on the countryside. From the 14th century to the modern day, there's a million stories in the ancient way.
I don't need a map, I just follow the sun.
The beauty of the world has only just begun. Yeah, the road is calling, can you hear the sound? Foot on the pedal, yeah, we're travel bound.
Bound, travel bound, chasing the golden light. Ethiopia soul shining through the night. From the mountain peaks to the valley floor, once you see the beauty, you'll be wanting more. Bound, travel bound,
Yeah,
we bound, travel bound.
smell the bona brewing in the open air. A smile on every face, there's a story there. We're crossing every border, we're breaking every wall. Answering the rhythm, answering the call. More than just a place, it's a feeling in your chest. Putting every hidden gem to the ultimate test. 1 year ago or a year from today, the memories we make will never fade away. So pack your bags, leave the world behind. There's a piece of heaven that we're gonna find.
I'm traveling, chasing the golden light. Ethiopia soul shining through the night. From the mountain peaks to the valley floor, once you see the beauty, you'll be wanting more. I'm travel bound.
አለኝ ኧረ ሸንተረ ኧረ ተበላ የስንዴራው ጥርጥር የዛፎቹ ፍሬ የትንዛኔ ለዛ ነው ዛሬ መዜ መታወት ለዛ ነው ስንወጣ ስንወርድ ለዛ ነው ስንወጣ ስንወርድ ለዛ ያኔ የበላሁት ያ ጋምፍሬ ነገር
Travel bound. Yeah, travel bound. Where we going next? See you on the road. Yeah, see you on the next. See you on the road. Yeah, see you on the next.
I'll travel bound, chasing the golden light. It'll be our soul shining through the night. From the mountain peaks to the valley floor, once you see the beauty, you'll be wanting more. I'll travel bound, yeah. I'll travel bound,
Yeah, where we going next?
እዚህ ቦታ የሚኖር ሰው ውሃ የሚጠማው አይመስለኝም። እንደዚህ ጠጋ እንደ አጋም እየበላ ውሃ ጥሜን ሁላ ተመሰለ። ስልክ የሚያወራ ጦጣ አይደለም እንዳንተ የምር ስልክ የሚያወራ ጦጣ